Huawei has officially started rolling out the very first software update for the Mate 80 series, and it brings a long list of new features, improvements, and system optimizations. This update is based on the latest version of HarmonyOS and builds on the strong foundation these phones already launched with. The Huawei Mate 80 lineup includes 4 models: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Mate 80 Pro Max, and the Mate 80 RS Ultimate design. All 4 devices feature a premium design and powerful hardware, and they are also the first smartphones to ship with HarmonyOS 6 right out of the box. Compared to HarmonyOS 5, this new version already introduced several improvements, and this first update adds even more useful features across the system. One of the biggest highlights of this update is the camera improvement. Huawei has focused heavily on upgrading the video recording experience. The update improves image stabilization, especially for dynamic photography, which means videos should look smoother when you are moving or recording action scenes. The color camera system has also been optimized, making a noticeable difference when using the telephoto and wide-angle lenses. These changes aim to deliver better colors, improved clarity, and a more consistent shooting experience across different camera modes. The Gallery app also receives several meaningful upgrades. One of the most useful new features is the option to delete images only from the device, while keeping them safely stored in the cloud. This allows users to free up local storage without permanently losing their photos. After deleting them from the device, the images can still be viewed or downloaded from the cloud at any time. This feature is especially helpful for users who take a lot of photos and videos and often run out of space. Huawei has also added visual enhancements to the Gallery home screen. Gallery cards now support dynamic effects, allowing selected memories to rotate automatically on the home screen. This makes the Gallery feel more lively and personal, as favorite moments are displayed in a more engaging way. In addition, the Custom Album Photos card now supports selecting multiple images for playback, giving users more control over how their memories are shown. Another important update comes to Huawei Share. With this update, Huawei Share now supports transferring images, videos, files, contacts, and other data between HarmonyOS devices and Apple devices running iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. To make this work, the other device needs to install the HarmonyOS Galaxy Interconnect app. This feature makes cross-platform sharing much easier and removes one of the biggest barriers between Huawei devices and Apple products. Privacy and security have also been improved. Huawei has introduced a new way to control how apps access the device's orientation sensors. By managing these permissions, users can block certain in-app, shake, ads and unwanted redirects. This results in a cleaner and less annoying app experience, especially for apps that rely on motion-based triggers for ads. On the system side, Huawei has enhanced the outdoor exploration mode by adding new gesture-based interactions. Users can now swipe on the home screen to enter multitasking, swipe horizontally at the bottom of the screen to quickly switch between apps, and use gestures for one-step split screen and floating windows. These gestures make multitasking faster and more intuitive, especially when using the phone outdoors or on the move. Huawei also states that overall system performance and stability have been improved. While these changes may not always be immediately visible, they contribute to a smoother and more reliable user experience in daily use, with fewer slowdowns and better responsiveness. The Weather app also gets a small but visually pleasing update. It now supports dynamic icons that change based on real-time weather conditions. The home screen weather icon can display different styles for sunny, rainy, cloudy, and other weather types, making the phone feel more alive and informative at a glance. Huawei is releasing this first Mate 80 series update in batches, which means not all users will receive it at the same time. However, the rollout has already begun, and the update should reach all Mate 80 users soon. With camera upgrades, gallery improvements, better privacy controls, smoother performance, and new gesture features, this update adds real value to an already impressive lineup and shows Huawei's strong commitment to long-term software support.